Alright, welcome to how to use Sandbuzz video series. In the last video, we saw that how you can create a Sandbuzz account, how you can sign up on Sandbuzz and start using our services. Now, in this video, we are going to show you how you can connect your email box with your Sandbuzz account. This is gonna be a little bit technical video, so bear with me. Now, you have two options to connect your mailbox with your Sandbuzz account. One is you can click on this button and start connecting your mailbox with your Sandbuzz account. Another option is when you are on your dashboard, you need to go on profile settings. Once you are in settings, you will be able to see the mailbox option over here. Go there and you will be able to see if you have any connected mailbox in your account or not. As we are currently new to Sandbuzz, so we will go with the add mailbox option. Now, you have multiple options to select from. You can use the SMTP IMAP connections, that will be all manual and technical setup. You have Office 365, Zoho Mail, Gmail, GoDaddy, Yandex and SendGrid. We are also working on adding more options over here. As of now, we are using a Gmail account, so we will go and click on the Gmail option. Once done, you will be able to see the add SMTP IMAP details. Now you can select. Here you will be able to see multiple options to choose from. You can select your sender's name. So let's write my name over here, my email account. This could be the email you are using to sign up on Sandbuzz or something else. Maybe you are using another domain to run the outreach campaign, so you can write that email address over here. I'll go with my email account. Now, SMTP host is by default selected as smtp.google.com. SMTP port is selected by default over here. If you want to choose something else, you will be able to update it from here. Encryption level, you can select SSL, TLS or none. If you are a non-technical person just like me, you can keep it as it is. Now, you need to head on to your Gmail account for this password. Now, your normal Gmail account password won't work over here, so you need to create a specific password. We will go to Gmail for that. Once you are in your Gmail, you need to go on your profile picture and select Manage your Google account. Once you are in the Manage Google account option, you need to go to the security. In the security page, you need to scroll down and go to this two-step verification option. Now, once you select it, it will ask you to enter your Google account password. Do that and you will be able to see the two-step verification page. Now, once you scroll down, you will be able to see app passwords option. Here you can select the app specific passwords. So we have none currently and we will create one by clicking over here. We need to first give name of the app. So we are going to use this password in Sandbuzz. So we'll just write Sandbuzz and create it. It will show you a password over here. You need to copy it and paste it on your account settings. Once you are done, you need to click on this test SMTP connection button. It will take a couple of seconds and give you a success if your password and everything goes right. It will also give you a verification password in your inbox. Once done, the same password will be used over here and you need to test the IMAP connection. It was also done successfully. So we are verified and we are good to go. Now we are good to go. Click on Connect and Save option. After a couple of seconds, you will be able to see your mailbox is in your Sandbuzz account and connected. Now, if you are going to run your outreach sequence, this will be taken as a default email ID from your account. It is also showing that how many bounce were detected in last 60 days, the status of this account box, and SPF, DMARC, DKIM and BME records are up to mark or not. To update these limits, you can go to this gear option. Once inside, you will be able to see that you can update your name. You are able to add more aliases over here, the connected account. If you want to add a default BCC and reply to option, how many emails you want to send per day, and opt-out text as well. You can also create or copy your email signature in it and press the save button to continue. So this was it. This is how you can connect your sender email account with your Sendbuzz account. See you in the next video where we will learn how you can create your first sequence and run your campaign. To know more, subscribe to Sendbuzz YouTube channel